Everyone has a story, and this is mine. Hi, I'm Arita Yuda Katiara Rizky from Professional Nursing Study Program and the most outstanding student from Shahwala University. To me, college was never just about chasing grades or trophies. It was about how much of an impact I could make for myself, for fellow students, and for community around me. Every competition I entered, every organization I joined, always starts with a simple question: what can I give back from this? To me, competitions were never just a stage to prove myself. They were a space to voice ideas that I could create a wider benefit. At the international level, I won a first place in the 3-minute thesis presentation at the International Economic Competition Festival, and second place in the International Business Model Canvas competition, alongside delegates from Malaysia and the Philippines. I was also entrusted as Indonesia's delegate for the Spice Route Cultural Mission by Indonesia's Ministry of Education, Culture, Research and Technology, and represented Indonesia in the SEA-Ohun Regional Student Competition on Biosafety and Biosecurity. Two experiences that taught me an idea only matters if it creates a real impact for the other. At the national level, I won the first place in the Euphoria Edu Scientific Paper Competition, second place in the UNICEF Indonesia's video competition for World Immunization Week, the title of Immuni Booster Champion with the UNICEF Indonesia, and a spot in the top 30 finalists Unilever Future Leader League. I also placed a third in a research competition at Universitas Padjadjaran. In total, I've taken part in more than 50 competitions, and I turned every single one of them into a chance to bring hope, education, and social awareness to a bigger stage. The impact I pursued was not limited to the competition stage. It extended to the field alongside the communities that needed it most. I'm taking part of both Indohun and SEA-Ohun as a regional committee member, connecting students across Southeast Asia on the One Health issues. On the campus, I serve as a head of the ICT department at the Debating Union Shahwala, building a system and strategies that I create lasting impact for the organization. That impact felt most real when I went directly into the field to help with post-flood health recovery effort alongside Agam Inong Aceh. A moment where I learned that a true leadership is tested not in the seminar room, but in the middle of the crisis. I also trusted as the Program Development Division Leader for UNICEF Indonesia's Mesraya Plus program, designing immunization coverage strategies that directly touch people's life. As a form of scientific contribution, I also part of the research team that published an international journal article on the serum vitamin D levels and diabetic foot ulcer. A research I hope will create a lasting impact on the nursing field. I believe the greatest impact never comes from what I achieve alone, but from what I can pass on to others. I've actively served as a speaker at more than 50 national and provincial seminar and webinar, covering topics from the personal branding, public speaking, to the drug abuse, prevention, education, and youth self-development. I've also been trusted as a judge and tabulator for the debate competition at city, provincial, and national level, and I've coached Indonesia debater teams at several schools. And to me, every session of sharing knowledge is impact in the motion, passed from one person to many people to change on a much bigger scale. From competition organization, research, and community service, I have learned one thing. Nursing isn't only about science, it's about how much impact we can create for the others. This journey has taught me that a true achievement isn't measured by the trophies we collect, but by the change we leave behind. Because to me, innovation without the impact is just an idea that stays on the paper. I am Arita Yuda Katiara Rizky from Professional Nursing Study Program, Shahwala University. So, let's keep innovating, inspiring, and making an impact.